If you're looking to buy a monitor that's under £250 or $300 that offers a 280Hz refresh rate or 0.5 milliseconds response time, well, let's check out the Philips Evnia Full HD gaming monitor. Model number for reference is 25M2N5200P, and I will add a link in the video description. It's from their Evnia 5000 series with a 24.5 inch or a 62.2 centimeter display, offering a wide viewing angle, AMD FreeSync Premium, HDR and a compact ergonomic base. Lifting the lid, let's discover what we get inside. First up is a range of paperwork and quick start guide and information about your monitor. If you need any help, please leave a comment below. You will receive an EU plug that plugs directly into the monitor and no need for a power brick. Then you will find a HDMI cable. This monitor has two HDMI ports, both supporting HDMI 2.0. Then we have a UK 3-pin plug, but if you're in the EU, you would use that EU plug that I showed earlier. Then we come on to our base plate. So it has rubberized feet, which is really handy, and it's a speckled grey design. Also in the box, you're going to find your USB upstream cable. So you have a USB hub on this device and USB 3.0. Alongside your base plate, you're going to require a column, so here it is. It's made up of metal and plastic design. It has the Evnia logo on it, also a headphone rest, ergonomic design, and down the center is a cable management system and a lock-in nut that is used with the column and the stand put together. So taking the stand and just placing it in, managed to try and get this in shot, and then use that locking nut at the bottom to either with a hand or with a screwdriver, tighten that up all the way so it's nice, strong and sturdy. Under all of those accessories, next up is our actual display. So let's take a closer look at that. Offering the same grey coloured housing around the back, also with this square design. You also have a joystick control, Kensington lock, your dedicated power connection and your ports, and of course where you would connect your column and stand to, but you could also use a VESA mount if required. So jumping into your ports, you've got HDMI, you've got two of those and they're 2.0, your display port which is 1.4, your USB hub which is USB 3.2 Gen 1, and you've got USB upstream, USB-A downstream with two standard ports and two fast charging ports. You also have a headphone jack as well. Connecting your column and stand is really easy. Utilizing the two teeth at the top, press these down and lock in, and it's that simple. There is a catch underneath the column that's hidden from this video, but you release that to take off your stand. With the monitor now set up and connected to my Mac Mini, I will choose to either game on my PS5 or the Xbox. But what do you think? If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. The extra touch I like about this monitor is the speckled design on its stand feet. And this monitor offering a 280Hz refresh rate, HDR10 supported, 0.5 MPRT response time, and with added options of AMD FreeSync Premium, plus so much more, all for under £230, which is pretty incredible. So all I'm going to leave you to say is check out the links in the video description. I do have one to Amazon UK where you can go and purchase this monitor, and if you do, you will help sponsor the channel, and also to Philips websites where you can go and learn more with detailed spec sheets. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell to be notified when I share new videos, like my review of the Philips Evnia monitor. All that's left to say is thank you for watching and have a great day.